2015 Mercedes-Benz E250 Luxury Sedan. Rearview backup camera. Active blind spot assist. P01 premium package. Power driver seat with memory. Command system with navigation. Power passenger seat with memory. Heated front seats. Split folding rear seats. Electronic trunk closer. Call RBM of Atlanta today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.